Ivanka Trump has unveiled a new health and nutrition initiative, Planet Harvest, aimed at improving access to fresh produce across the United States, while seemingly taking a swipe at her father, President Donald Trump, in the process. The former first daughter has been actively promoting the initiative on Instagram, where she recently highlighted what she called America's broken food system. In a story posted Wednesday, Ivanka shared a striking image of an untouched field of lettuce and wrote, "So much fresh food never makes it off the farm. This field is filled with perfectly edible, nutrient-rich lettuce. Left behind not because it isn't fresh, safe, or edible, but because of America's broken food system." Though she didn't mention the president directly, her words raised eyebrows, with some interpreting them as a critique of the current administration's handling of agricultural and nutritional policies. In a follow-up post, Ivanka emphasized the scale of food waste in the country. According to the California Cherry Board, more than 200 million pounds of cherries were either dumped or left unharvested last year alone. At Planet Harvest, we're working to change that. The initiative, which Ivanka co-founded in 2023 with Melissa Ackerman, focuses on sourcing surplus and overlooked crops from American farms and delivering them to households and food service programs nationwide. By sourcing the whole harvest, we're supporting farmers, reducing waste, and expanding access to fresh, nutritious food for more families, she explained. Ivanka previously introduced Planet Harvest as a solution to several intertwined issues: food waste, rising healthcare costs, chronic disease, and the economic pressure facing small farmers. So many of the challenges we face today, from rising healthcare costs and chronic disease to food waste and the pressure on small farmers, can be traced to a common root: how we grow, distribute, and access our food, she wrote. Through Planet Harvest, Ivanka aims to implement scalable solutions and reshape how food reaches American tables. The program connects surplus harvests with grocers, retail brands, food as medicine providers, and emergency food efforts. Our mission supports small farmers, increases access to fresh produce, reduces waste, and advances nutrition as a pathway to better health, she said. Ivanka also pointed to her past work during the pandemic, when she helped launch the Farmers to Families Food Box program, and her continued efforts to support communities in crisis, including recent feeding initiatives in Fort Myers, Maui, and Los Angeles. As we continue this work at Planet Harvest, we hope to set a new standard for how food reaches our tables, sustainably, mindfully, and with heart, she concluded. Speaking to Axios, she summed up the mission. By connecting fresh and surplus harvests with those who can benefit from them, we're supporting farmers, reducing food waste, expanding access, and using good nutrition to improve health.